All right. This is it. This is the day that we get it freaking running. It's starting to piss me off. It has to work. Okay. All right, so we got our chat app. This is React app. And okay, we need content to stream to this. So we got our chat. And now we need to generate the client that will send it data. We can generate it by going to Studio. Oh, let's open the chat. Oh, this chat is so annoying. Okay, pop out. Okay. All right. Showing chat. Don't need that. Don't need that. Messages. Okay, so messages. We're going to start streaming it. So when we open the window, we're going to stream the messages. So in order to make that happen, I need to add lib API. I think I already have the project service. So we're going to say use effect so that this runs when the component is mounted. And then we are going to say project service dot transcribe. Why do I have two? Why is one live transcribe, the other transcribe? I think it's live transcribe because that makes sense. That live transcribe. And that doesn't look right. But I do want this to be a streaming API. So is that streaming? Yeah, it is. So what does that code look like for streaming? I think I have it over here under components, chat, run panel, JSON viewer. We're going to be in, I think we're going to be in project provider. Project provider. So providers, project provider, run workflow, run, this guy. So we await that and then we run this code. Await that. And then we're going to have to get messages and set messages so that that can access it. The fuck? That is use callback. That's annoying. I don't like that. All right, we'll just do the frickin' hack. Let's just do the hack. Everyone loves this, don't they? Oh, have a fucking async function in here, and then you invoke it so that you don't have to deal with that stupid shit. Why does it have a problem with this? Oh. Message. Set message. Let's go. Message. Oh. No, that's wrong. Const messages. Messages. Oh, weird. Awkward. That was just down there. Exec text. So we'll just say that. And then what's the problem with live transcribe? Oh, we gotta toss one of those guys in there. What do you got? It doesn't have any effects? I don't believe it. I don't believe you. You're fucking lying. I know it has an effect. Where is it? Show it. Show me your use effect. No, it's bullshit. I don't buy it. That's hot. This is an incredible place, by the way. Mega Mart. Omega Mart. If you're ever in Vegas, you gotta go see it. Gotta go see that shit. Go fucking see it. All right. Well, shit. I think this is just gonna have to run, isn't it? I don't believe there's something fucked. Error. Live transcribe. It tries to call it no file or directory. What the fuck does that mean? Let's bring this shit up. Look at that live reload. Look at that live reload. Let's go. I want to turn that into a command. The fuck is it? Reload. Reloading. Reload. I think I just need to do this. I just literally need to do this. Live reload. That's it. I just do that and then I go over here and then I see where our entry point is, which is in main. They go here, commands, API, serve, import it. Oh, I fucked it. It got fucked. Import. There you go. That's a beaut. Go run main.go API serve. And then we add a flag here. Flags. CLI.flag. Int flag. Not int. I want bool flag. Bool flag. Name is reload. Names reload. So now we'll check if bool reload, return live reload. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Fucking live reload. Let's go. Also, I want to change the logging on this. This logging kind of sucks. Don't need that anymore. How do I have the logging for this? Log is where? Show me your log. Whoops. Show me the log. Show me the log. Show me the log. Util. Log. Log config. Where is that used? Log config. Log config. Setup logging. Okay, log, and then we do log here, and then we say func. Yeah, we'll have struct type log.log. New log creates a new log, sure. And then we have a function. No, we have no function. We just have a sync. Sync.mutex. Is that not right? That has to be var. There you go. Log sync dot once. How do we do that? Go sync run once. Come on, you know. I know you know. Don't give me this shit. Sync that once. Sync that once. Log that once. Let's just call that once. I think once is once dot do. We have our function, and then for our one sync dot do, we are going to set up logging. So that's what we're going to take from here. We no longer pass log config through there. Set up logging. Yeah, here we go. We're doing it. I made a note because I knew I needed to do this. So this is all that you do. You just do a new log like that. So now when log is included anywhere, level, I need to pass level. So this actually depends on config. And then we say config.level. Cool. I don't think you even really need to return something, but it's whatever. And then we have provider set. provider set is equal to wire.new set. And then you include those things. And then we need to find our wire. Where's our main wire? Is it in here? I kind of move wire to the root. Maybe? I don't know. Maybe. Okay, so then over here we say log.provider set. So now that's loaded in, and when that runs, that will set up the logging. And then I guess new. Someone has to depend on it though. That's why I feel like actually I think that this is more of a provider set. I want this to be a provider set. I'm not a fan with how that looks. Live reload. That goes away. Fire provider set is that. That's that. Where did the reload go? I think you need the live reload. I think that's okay. Var provider set wire dot provider set new set. And then why don't we like log, because that's imported like that. So I want config. Why don't we like config? Why is that there? Yeah, you don't need that. Now this is maybe log D. Log D. And then we'll toss in the fact that it also type are we dlog.log. Oh, I need dlog.log. Log D. What do we got? going to delete that now. Actually, I didn't want to delete it. Give it me back. Give it to me back. Okay, I want to revive the files. Something with wire. I wish you could search. I don't know why you should. I don't know why you can't search. Yeah. Reload wire gen. But it's the wire gen from CLI. Come on. Wire gen from CLI. There you go. I'm going to discard changes. Discard changes. And we got that back. And I'm going to move this to the root of the repo. Because package main so I'm just going to say wire. And then this is just CLI.provider set. Boom. Is that better? I don't know if that's better. I'm skeptical if that's really better. Okay. I'm gonna read Wire's code one day. It's some good code. You can just tell by the way that it runs. Like the fact that it caught that. Look at that. Look at all those dependencies that it's managing. That's crazy. They're all just like wired up. All right, so theoretically that is that and that is that. So that means that should be fine. And now our CLI acts as a provider set. Put that at the bottom. Don't need to see the details. Okay. What the fuck was the point of that? Right, so that we could use that same logging code. So now, if I do log.provider set from Protoflow, That should do that. Now if I... So now that has live reload. Commands. No one uses CLI. What the hell does main do? Alright, so setup logging, we don't need this anymore. That gets run. Yes, we can do a nicer way for that. Let's go. And do I want the same pattern of the provider set? I think I like CLI wire better. I like CLI wire better. But we can still have the provider set like that. That's fine. So we just move that over there. Does that actually, I think that's fine. Yeah, oh my god, that's fucking sick. That just works. Uh-oh. I got like a thing over here. Tools. Where you at, tools? I pity the tools. Okay. Get rid of that. Config. Config just sucks to manage. Whisper, yeah, we need Whisper in there. Site, yeah. Oh, that Python, yeah, that's fine, that's fine. Models. Delete. Gen. I wonder if this speeds up. Okay. So it's saying go third party, whisper, clean. Oops. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ugh. These fucking libraries. Well, it seems like maybe there's a way to speed this up. That's not going to be me, though. Okay. I think that should be fine. Oh, so now I can start go, run, go. I think I want to call this command like start. I just want like go start. Like for the thing that you do in local development, it's like everything should come up with just go start. Yeah. Just go start. Go start and then reload. No, we'll call this dev. Go start, and then if you want it in dev mode, then it's dev. Go run, start, dev. Fuck. Whoops. Could not find Leptonica. It's a fucked include path. Okay. I'll have to change that run command. Can't find a whisper. Um, I'm going to show you how to record some web pages so you don't lose them to the sands of time of the internet. So I really like this. I've been playing with it a little bit. Archiveweb.page, that's the URL. You can go to it, see this page. And once you're on it, you can download either the browser extension or the desktop app. The browser extension is nice because you can use it seamlessly in the browser that you're already using, but it's only going to let you record one tab at a time, which I found annoying. For bigger tasks that like I want to save, like if I'm trying to crawl a website that I'm about to be booted off of because someone doesn't want a page, GitHub. So I've already tried to use it a little bit, so we're going to create a new one here and call this one AutoPy that I normally browse is going to be saved. So I guess, gosh, I'm listening to this. Or these are all member only stories. Okay, so I don't want member only. I want like this. So cool. So there's something that I've saved, and right, this is any website that you can go to. So if you are like on a recipe site, if you're on, I'm not sure how well it does with like videos and stuff on Coursera or whatever, and you want to save all that. And I think that all that stuff should be recorded. So now I'm going to browse the archive and see what pages are in here. So .js, that's, and what's so cool. So there's, my gosh, I guess I have to upgrade to fully see this page. So that's thing. Exactly how I see it is going to a little bit archiveweb.page. That's some web pages, so you don't lose them to the sands of time of the internet. So I really like this. I've been playing with it a little bit. Archiveweb.page or the desktop found annoying. Universe. We're going to create so what I want. So to what I want before. I'm gonna have to log in order to get into here. It's not the browser that I normally. So I'm gonna have to log in order to get into my account. So that I can go to. So as soon as I go to. All right, so now we're here. I'm logged in, and there are some things that I can go to. So as soon as I go to one, I'm going to start recording. There are some things that I can go to. So as soon as I go to one, I'm going to start recording. And that hitting record is going to content that my browser normally looks. I got content that my browser normally will save. Exactly how I see it is going to be saved. Oh my gosh. I'm listening to this. These are all member only stories. Okay, so I don't want member only. I want like this. So cool. So there's how well it does with like videos and stuff. Okay, I don't want to listen to that. Okay. We still got this linker problem. Why? Why though? In a Seago. All right. Can't find Whisper. Because I need to build it. I think this could be a part of the generate command. Make Whisper. I fucked something up. Oh. Tried adding that. The Whisper. So. Okay. Now the question is, can I remove some of these things? What happens if I do that? Can't find Leptonica. So I think I need to add that. I do have opt lib. Is there like another place where Seego is being run? Or maybe I need damn. Why doesn't that X? Okay, we'll run it like this with X. See what's run. Oops. See all that's run, and then if we do that without it, and then we can compare. Okay. That's a lot of shit. That's a lot of damage. Okay. So that all runs fine. I'm gonna do this. We're gonna pipe it. Pipe it to fail. Oops. To fail. Or so. Oh. I think a lot's gonna be different. Oh wow, this is a What's that song? Pretty hungry. Curious if we can get a cool looking image. Uh-oh, these might be cursed. Oh, those are horrifying. Maybe a little too much cyberpunk. Oh, I want like minimalist. Maybe I want to throw in minimalist there. I don't know. Maybe we can ask here. Oh, here we go. It's kind of interesting. Oh, the fish on a loaf of bread. I want the fish on the loaf of bread. Yeah, I want the fish on a loaf of bread. Let's go. I need it. Oh, maybe like maybe Pokemon. Cute. I want a cute fish. Simple colors. All right, come on. Got high hopes for this one. I want to make a wait a minute. Come on, let's go. It totally can do that. And then I can add like a color picker. Whoops. function should Oh, yes. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, you can have it on Little Biscuit. Oh, this one's pretty fucking cute. I like this one. On a low grilled cheese? Oh, it could be low grilled cheese. Still unclear why one succeeds and one fails on this. Jury's still out. Oh, it's so cute. Four's pretty cute. I kind of want it more, like with the sandwich bread though. Blend images together seamlessly. Oh, little tongue out. Oh my god, in between, it's so cute. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, this is a fucking adorable. Like Adventure Time. Oh yeah, yeah, Adventure Time. All right. That's all we got for today. We're gonna do reload. Oh, I don't want that X. Hmm? Oh, dev. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'll ignore third party. And env. Site. Oh my god, it's so cute. We want variations of 4. I also kind of want variations of maybe 1. Oh, they're all so cute. I don't like the little fin. Oh, the little bun. Variations of 2. That's so cute. Oh. Bind address is already in use. By who? Oh, I see. Okay. There we go. Now we're... Data. We also don't want to do data. Ah, it's so cute. I think 3 might be the... That's upscale 3. Oh, very region? Ooh. That's fucking sick. Oh shit. I could have like WebRTC and Protoflow. It's a fucking book about WebRTC. Do I just read this? I think I just read it. All right. We're going to read it. Because I just had a thought. What if Protoflow, or not Protoflow, but Lunar Brain, whatever the fuck, has like a video? Like you can make like Discord. Send audio. Conference system that uses WebSocket for signaling. It also uses... Pion, Go, React. Pion, Go, React. GitHub. Okay. Okay. Can I like copy this then? Other person. Camera is going to be FaceTime camera. Whoa. Damn. Okay. All right. Okay. So I want I want that. That's fucking sick. Show me the life kit components. Whoa. Meats. There's pion, but then there's also ion. Ion. I mean, this is a pretty sick project. I want to get my notes in here. Let's get all my notes. Luna brain ideas. What if you could chat with people join a web RTC room with multiple people? They are and record the conversation as well as like a micro meeting. You have like a micro meeting, like an informal high trust. So it's like you don't worry about the security concerns as much. Like you might even just be like in person. And so informal high trust, and then like widgets up the ass. So like anything goes, like kind of embedding of stuff. Like I think that would be really interesting. And I want to save these. I want to save those are Golang libraries. That I want this. Looks like it is ready to go with a UI and everything. The question that I had about this though, oh, and then we got a internet WebRTC online book about WebRTC, and then we'll do books programming concepts. Voice assistant. Wow, dude, they're fucking doing it. They're cranking out some shit.
Wrestling intro for my wrestling name.
Holy fuck.
Of course. What would you like your wrestling intro
What
to
did I
include?
just
Some
find?
wrestlers like to emphasize their strength or intimidating nature, while others prefer a more playful or humorous approach. Please let me know
Just
what you have in
use
mind.
your imagination.
I can't hear it. I want to hear it.
Alright, here is an intro I came up with for you, Neil. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to witness a show like never before. Standing at XXX pounds of pure muscle, he's quick, he's agile, he's the master of the ring. Make way for the undisputed king of the
Oh
mat,
my
Nate.
god.
How does that sound, Neil?
That sounds awesome, Kit.
Glad to hear that, Neil. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
So yeah, I got muted again, but so that's Kit.
Holy fuck. That's really cool. Holy shit. It's all open source. I can bet it into Go. Has to be Go. Right, because WebRTC that's a pretty impressive thing. Okay. Holy shit. Okay, so it looks like these guys have... I need to read this. But I was trying to just get this to fucking run. I just need this to run. Okay, that's the current goal, and then once I do, I need a piece, because this is ridiculous. Okay, we went so deep. All right. Okay, so this is running now. That's great. We have logging. And I wanted to... We are going to Studio Components. Any of this. Delete. Whatever. Live transcribe. So when we... Oh, right. I also wanted to copy over the logging. Cover call. Do I have... With interceptors, new log interceptor. So this is API Yeah, we're gonna do this over here. API, not API. It's server. Server with intercept. I do have that. Oh, because we have to also interceptors. Oh, it does have interceptors. Am I blind? Does it not make a request? Oh, slash API. Is it under API? Oh, because this command can't be found. No, not that one. Oh. Oh, we're not passing it a file. Chat. Oh, it's chat. That chat. I see. Oh. Chat response is nothing. Chat. How do you know what's going on? What do you mean? And my brain's just fucking plugged into this code. Like, so the way that I connected the dots here was I saw a no such file directory. So I know that the request is going to the server, and then once it's on the server, it's being processed. I verified by looking at the code for the server. And this is fucked. This is a fucking rat's nest. I need to improve this. I'm going to make a note. That needs to be improved. Ideas. Improve how the basic routing works. Treat gRPC servers as first-class citizens in the syntax. It's cool ash. I don't know what ash is. So yeah, once I verified that that was running, then I'm like, okay, now it must be in the code. So now this code is what's being triggered. And I realize live transcribe is not the function that I was interested in. It's chat. And then chat runs this, which that should exist. So now that that's chat, but it's saying that there's nothing. Oh, segment. Oh, that is what I want. Segment.text. There you go. Testing, talking, I am saying stuff. Is this responding? Let's go. Let's go. It's showing up. Testing, talking, I am saying stuff. But the problem is it's overlapping. Okay. So this should clean itself up nicely because I passed the context, the executing context, and then I wait for the context to be done. And then I clean up the process. So that should be fine. So if that's okay, then the question is, I need a button that like stops it. Actually, I wanted to figure out like why are they like overlapping? This item, yeah, it's just being replaced, it seems. Oh, because we're stuck in that loop and it's just overriding. I've had this problem before. How did I solve it? Components. Chat, run panel. Oh wait, maybe it's in the provider project provider, and then send workflow output. Use callback. Oh, the function. You pass a function previous state. So it's previous state. There we go. So now, okay, so the problem was it was messages, which we don't need to pass anymore. So in useEffect, the things that you pass in this array, those are the dependencies of this code. So if any of these change outside of this useEffect, this useEffect is going to be triggered. This function inside of there is going to be triggered if set messages changes. Set messages, I don't believe will change, so I don't know if this is explicitly necessary, but it's just always a good idea to include the dependencies. So that's kind of like a foot gun, is like you might not think you need it, but then you do. So in this case, the code that I had before here, it had messages. So having messages here seems like it's fine, because if messages changes, then this code's going to run again. But the problem is I'm stuck in this await. So it's for await. That's a tight loop. And so messages is never changing. And so there's only ever one. So now if I change that, so that instead of passing through messages, I'm passing through this function. Every time this code is going to run, set messages is going to run this function where it passes previous, which is essentially the same as messages up here, but it's going to now have our updated state. So we should see multiple ones when this code runs now. Okay, so now I'm talking and chat messages should be popping up. There seems to be a problem with duplication for some reason, so I was going to try to debug that. And so I think what's happening here is that it's so cool. This is so fucking cool. What's happening here is that there's like probabilities. So you can see kind of how this works of like, it's like this first guess is, okay, so now I'm talking, and then it, after some other window comes through, it's like verifies, okay, so now I'm talking. So there's actually a lot of really interesting things you can do here in terms of like visualizing what's going on, because there's like probabilities that these are actually the things that I am saying, that as I talk more and maybe I articulate more, like it's going to like lock that in. As you can see, some of them are slightly different. So this one started out of it's cool, it's cool. So it did get that wrong, but then it added on, this is so fucking cool. So it's like the context of what's being said changes. So let's see if we can improve that. So now we don't want to, and I think maybe what we need to look at here is like the probabilities of what's being sent. So actually, what happens if I reload? So it kills it, and then does it bring it back up again? Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Damn, that's so good. That's such a good experience. So I'm just going to keep this running. Oh my God. I can literally trigger like things to be run. I need Llama. Does Llama have a LQML Llama? Okay, specify a grammar. So you can do a grammar. Oh shit, you can do a fucking grammar? Oh shit. Okay, okay. That's it. That's it. So you embed Llama, you add a grammar, and then you can do completely offline like command and control of your computer. Oh shit. That's fucking sick. Still got to read this WebRTC thing though, because then if you do this, if you've integrated if you integrate a meeting thing, you can be like in a meeting with people, like idling, and then you can have it doing like chat GPT stuff. So you can be like hanging out with people talking, and then it's like sketching out, I don't know, like HTML code. Like you literally just have it code in the browser. Need to learn a little more. I'm gonna figure out how to do the live transcription with that. Like if you can process. What is SFU, selective forwarding unit? gRPC. Audio observer. Remove screen, observe. Okay, separate projects. I got an example. Examples. Oh. I really like GitHub Desktop because I can just like click and then have it. Oh wait, this is still recording, right? Oh my god. Heavy breathing. I need to have. Oh, is that slow? What's going on here? Oh, it's. I need to improve that quality. Let's have a button where we can like toggle it. Okay, we'll just stop that for now. Write me JavaScript. Write me TypeScript for a React app that lets me control, that lets me stop this async code from running when a user button is pressed. Show it to me. Oh, I see. You have like a should stop. User F false. This seems a little fucked. If should stop that current break and then turn. And then stop chat. Stop chat. Then we got what? Where is that loaded? Talking, I am talking. This thing is listening to what I'm saying. That's so cool. That's so cool. All right, so chat. Um, what the fuck? What the hell is this? Where did that get it? That's so strange. That's so weird. Okay, so oh my gosh, I can do like sentiment analysis and then I can map that to triggering like a different like animated character here. Holy shit, that's pretty sick. And then you can do face tracking in a browser, right? Check out the live demos. Oh, come on. Can I do from disk? No, my face. Oh shit. Why did I want to try this out? Wow. Okay, so this is kind of interesting. So let's see, receive data. Okay. I gotta close some of this stuff out. Okay, so that's running. What did I want to do? I wanted to add a stop button inside of window. Stop button. I was gonna put it right down here. It's probably there for a reason. Maybe this should be toggle. Toggle. Switch. 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 On. Change. Toggle chat. Say toggle chat. Toggle chat. Switch label. Chat. So that's just reloaded, but where did that load from? I'm testing, I am talking, these are the words that I'm saying. Then I disable it. Testing, talking, 1, 2, 3. Does this actually stop it? So it stopped it from showing up, but it didn't stop this. Res thought. Interesting. How do you stop this? Let me make sure that I'm on like the latest version. We're on 13. Testing, I'm talking, 1, 2, 3. Testing, I'm talking, this should stop. That is really tricky. So it's running. How do you tell it to disconnect? New abort controller. Aha. Sweet. Testing, I am talking. Whoops. Testing, I'm talking. Testing, I'm talking. These are the words that I'm saying. Then I'm going to turn this off. Does not cancel. Still going. Okay. Oh wait, I gotta abort it. Oh, but um I just had this realization with Protoflow that it's not a runtime. It's a debugging tool. And like maybe over time, if it becomes so good at like debugging, it can debug itself and build itself, then it's like maybe then it becomes a runtime. All right, there is a book that I need everyone to listen to, and it's by, what's the sign? Where the fuck is it? Books. This, Creative Selection. Creative Selection, copy link. Okay. So, okay. Abort. We think that this will work. Maybe. All right, so it's running, and now we're seeing stuff. And then I'm going to snap it off. Does not kill it. The fuck does abort.signal do? Let's see if we get a thing. Subs by Zero Ranger. Oh wait, oh, that's so funny. It's the song. I can't hear the song, but it's playing through and it's catching the audio. That's so funny. All right, so now we're gonna do that. Anything in the console? No, we don't. Never throw. It's pretty cool. Okay. I need this abort to work. Fucking abort. Ugh. Checked. Should stop. Starts as. Just say it. Starts as true. Why not? So it won't actually load when the page loads. You have to flip it. This is actually stopped. Or mute. Let's just say it's mute. Whatever. Mute. Oh. Okay, that's running. It's the opposite. MyRef.current. O.value. All right, that's it for tonight.